Merry Christmas from my broken camera and I. I'm about to put my little thing back on. So we are going to be getting a new camera. I think I'm gonna get the Nikon. They've got their version of the vlogging camera now, but it's not just a vlogging camera. It's mirrorless. I don't have to do this lens nonsense stuff anymore because I'm at my wit's end. So it's definitely gonna be more expensive, but I'm probably just gonna put a whole entire paycheck towards it because I actually get paid 3 times this month. So it's really like surprise money. So we're just gonna use it for that. But right now, I am headed to the basement to do a little workout. I need to grab some shoes though when my mom's down here. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas. Please don't put me on camera.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify. Fuck the night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wants mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a day and
So I'm about to start my workout now. I'm just gonna do some glute bridges to warm up. I'm gonna use my watch. I have the Apple Watch. This is the Apple Nike watch. So I don't know what model that is, but that's the one that I chose. Sometimes I'll start my watch for the functional training when I'm warming up. Sometimes I won't. Oh my God. Today I'm gonna start it when I'm doing these glute bridges because this is actually when my heart rate is gonna get going. I've got a hoodie on because it's absolutely freezing in the house. And then I'm wearing my long sleeve bow and tee thermal underneath. I'll link these shorts down below because they are absolutely fire.
It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Well, I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you
Now we're gonna get started. So I'll show you guys some of the equipment that we have down here. In case you haven't seen my basement before for some reason. So we have this bench right here, and I'm not gonna be able to link anything because this is okay. This is not my house, but we've got this bench that I tend to always use. It's got the little place for your feet and stuff too. Then my dad has a cycling bike. My mom's got this iFit treadmill. Here's the stuff we care about. I've got some 5-pound ankle weights. This I got sent to me. So it came with a bunch of weights. These are just like sandbag weights. So 11 pounds. Those I think are like 5 pounds. I think these are around 10. Oh no, these are 5.5 pounds. So these are probably half of that. Yeah, 2.7. And then we have tons of dumbbells. And the best thing about this bar is that all of these weights fit on this bar, so I can like load it up. And this isn't like a barbell, but it is metal, so it's not plastic, so you don't have to worry about that. And we got these little clips off of Amazon. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. But right now my heart rate's at like 116, I think it says right now. I'm getting hot in this sweatshirt.
live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Well, I'm stunner till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face in action. These days, oh my yeah, niggas be blasting. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this not shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder.
I'm sweating. I just did my first set of Romanian deadlifts. I think I'm actually gonna go ahead and superset them with stiff legs for the rest. So I don't know how much weight this is. I put on the 11 the 5.5 and 2 of the 3-pound metal weights. So it feels good. It definitely feels like it could be way heavier, but that's why I want to just superset it instead, so I can kill 2 birds with 1 stone. But I'm so hot. I should really start working out with a hoodie on to start to get sweating, because I am dying.
Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner till I die.
We're all done with that. So we did 3 exercises. Words. 3 exercises. I'm gonna do 1 more. I think I'm just gonna keep using the barbell. It's pretty easy. I already have weight on it, so my heart wants to do front squats, but it's a little bit harder to do front squats with this bar. Doing the crisscross, which means I gotta do it like this. Just so much work. But I think we're gonna do that because I want to hit my quads and my hammies today. It's like the main focus. I don't feel like doing front squats. It's too heavy. I don't feel like taking the weights off, so we're just gonna do super squats. Finished my workout. And now we're ready for Christmas. That was a good workout. It was a really good workout. Also, I think I look cute in this little headband. We got sausage and bacon. That's it. Gluten stuffing. It's gonna be my stuffing. Pot pies.
Out.
What are you making, Carol?
Get up, right? British baked beans.
My mom's making
Making me an egg.
rice and peas. I just filmed a get ready with me for my outfit and did my makeup, as you can see. So we went for like gold vibes today, but this is my fit. So I'll link everything down below. This is the dress everyone's obsessed with from Amazon, for good reason, that we love. Louis scarf. This cardigan is the one that I got from the thrift store, which is Uniqlo. And that's it, that's my fit.
Beautiful.
Too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests. And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you.
We're about to open presents. I have my camera set up over there to attempt to do a little time lapse on this. I don't know if it's gonna work though because my camera's acting crazy.
Alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000.
This is the album.
Ah, okay. Some cologne.
Need more things in here, I like it crowded. Like, whoa. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to metro housing. Yeah. Too sexy for this, too sexy.
Are you guys ready to open your gifts? Are you ready to open your gift, Bella?
That's nice.
You ready for your gifts? Isn't that cute? And these are all of their gifts. This is the stuff that my mom got them. And then this is for Bailey. because we know last year it didn't really work out with them having individual stuff. Okay, buddy. Bella, not for you. Go to Kyle. Bailey, you sit down. This is for you. Here. You have to rip it apart. Yeah, good job, buddy. You gotta open it.
Doing that.
You gotta open it. See? Watch. Yeah, there you go. Yes. You're so smart.
Remember, I got little special bones too.
What's in here? Oh boy! Look! What is this? It's a something. I don't know what it is, but
Check out the lid drop.
yeah, it's a reindeer. Nope, let Bella play with this one. Bailey, Bailey, Bailey. We'll play with it later. Let Bella play with it. Here. There you go. We've got some dental sticks. We've got some beef and sweet potato.
There's one under the garment.
And we got some jerky. So my camera isn't even working a little bit now. Like I can't even turn it on and get anything from the lens. So we're just gonna keep vlogging on my phone. But I'm about to make my mac and cheese that I've been making ever since, I think it was 2 years ago for Thanksgiving. So the main ingredients, I don't even remember where the recipe is, to be honest. Maybe if you type in my name and then you type in Thanksgiving, I might have linked it in the description, but I haven't used it in ages and I've made this quite a few times. So this is the vegan cheese we're gonna use. I haven't had this one before, but this is what was available, so it should be fine. We're gonna use the rest of this nutritional yeast. Not as much as I would have liked, but should be okay. Everything's fine. Almond milk, obviously, because we need liquid. And then we're gonna use some gluten-free flour. So this is the brand that we're going with. This is just like the regular flour that's supposed to be the closest to all-purpose. And then we're just gonna add seasoning, like salt, pepper, butter. So the butter that I'm gonna use is the Country Crock plant butter, which is really good. It also comes in the tubs if you ever want like the margarine style. But we're gonna use some of the stick. And I think that's it. I might use some of this, depending on how this cheese tastes, since I haven't tried it before. We might add some of this Gouda block by Gaia, because this is incredible. And yeah, that's it. So it's pretty easy. I literally just mix everything together and stir it until it's thick, and then pasta. So, Mommy, should I do penne? Or I only have one box of elbows. Is this enough?
Yeah, that will expand.
Okay. So we're gonna use just the regular elbows, gluten-free macaroni. So the two cameras I'm deciding between are the Sony ZV-E10, which is like the mirrorless version of what I have now, or the Nikon Z30. And they both have this amazing lens that you can use with them. Let me see if I can find the footage. Yeah, so it's the Viltrox 13mm. So it's just a prime lens, so there's no zoom or anything like that, but it's fine for vlogging. And I can always buy, you know, something else later, but look at how crazy that quality is. Like, it looks so good. So I'm just watching this review because I'm still trying to figure out which one I want to choose. I think they're both the same price. I think they're both around $700. The ZV one that I got, I think when I got it, I think it was on sale. So I paid like between $650 and $700. I think it's actually even more expensive now than it was when I purchased it. But I just had so many issues with that camera. Like, it would overheat so fast. Within 8 to 10 minutes, that camera would shut off. Like, if you guys watch my vlogs, I try and edit them as best as I can, but I will legit be talking for like 10 minutes and the camera would have stopped recording, and then I have to go back and figure out the last thing I said. It's so annoying. The in and out lens thing, like the lens started getting stuck. The battery thing just randomly broke. And I feel like those are like the big major issues. It also is very slow once it turns on and starts up. Like, I hit record, there's a pretty long delay, which sucks for vlogging because obviously I want it to start filming as soon as I hit the record button. And then obviously just the fact that it is just the mechanical zoom lens. And I don't know if you guys knew this, I think I've shown you maybe once, but I actually had a like macro and wide lens converter because the crop on this camera was horrendous. Like, if I was filming and I had my arm far away, like right now you guys are full arm's length. I got some long arms, but full arm's length away. If I was filming on my camera without the converter, it was literally like this. Like, why are you saying it's a vlogging camera, yet we're hanging out right here?
It's high and niggas won't take it, hey. I'm having my way. Said out here having this way. Way out here having this way. And like the third me go out, take me. What? Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas won't take it, hey. I'm having my way. Said out here having this way. Way out here having this way. And like the third me go out, take. What? Hey. Look. I'm picking it through, I just ain't fell in love cause I'm way too awake. And she try fucking a rapper to break on my heart, but my heart doesn't break. As soon as I link with these niggas, they feelings are written all over their face.
The camera has come back to life for a second, so Grandma can say hello.
Hello. Merry Christmas.
Got ham. I think these are mashed potatoes, rice and peas, stuffing, roast beef maybe? This was my brother's mac and cheese, and ours is here somewhere. Mommy, where's our mac and cheese? Oh, it's right here. Never mind. I lied. This is our mac and cheese I made. Those are the mashed potatoes.
I spent 30,000 on somebody's grapes. We did so many pull-ups on niggas, don't wonder we getting in shape. Too busy backing my words up with actions to ever go front of you.
I have found more food.
Those are real napkins.
I'm so hungry. What time is it? Let's see. 4:05. What time do you guys eat your Christmas dinner?
What? Go to the drink. What else are they gonna play? Side and niggas won't take it. Hey, I'm having my way. Said out here having this way. Way out here having this way. And like the third you go out and take. What? Go to the drink. Making them fuck niggas pay. Straight at the trap to the play. We gone. Who said they ain't having their way? Who might have a little more on their play? We having our way in 3 ways. OVO scope on the tray. We having our way. Having that shit. Fuck how you take it, we straight from the break. And I caught me some cases and beat it and break. Seen they was taking no communication, no invitation, cut off circulation.